In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a OneNote page. Sharing pages in OneNote is a powerful way to collaborate with colleagues, classmates, or friends, allowing them to view or edit your notes instantly. Whether you're working on a project, study notes, or meeting materials, sharing makes it easy to keep everyone on the same page. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer or through the web app and navigate to the notebook containing the page you want to share. Make sure the page is complete and organized, as this is what your recipients will see. Once you're on the page, look at the top right corner of your OneNote window for the Share button. Clicking this will open the sharing options for that particular page. Next, you have a few ways to share. OneNote allows you to share via a link or by sending an invitation directly through email. If you choose to generate a link, you can select whether the link allows others to edit the page or just view it. This is useful if you want to give someone access for reference only, or if you want them to contribute to your notes. Copy the link and send it through email, chat, or any messaging platform you prefer. Alternatively, you can invite people directly by entering their email addresses into the sharing dialog. You can also set their permission level here, deciding whether they can view or edit the page. Once you've added the recipients, click the Send button. Your collaborators will receive an email with a link to access the page immediately, and any changes they make will sync automatically if they have editing permissions. It's also important to note that recipients will need a Microsoft account to edit the page, though viewing is often possible without signing in. This ensures security and proper tracking of contributions. Additionally, you can always modify permissions later or stop sharing entirely if needed by revisiting the Share menu. Sharing pages in OneNote is simple, secure, and highly effective for collaboration. By using these steps, you can ensure that your notes are accessible to the right people at the right time, whether for work, school, or personal projects. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.